This one not so well. Yo, copper, copper within my community. Copper chidia be government property. So some respect in Inoko. Maybe you want to joke with government property. Maybe you want to with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England, the way not down. My room with the next to me, Betty room. Oh, you give me some accolade, my God, delicious. Oh, yeah, got to me, my guy, my God, they love it. Inojie small you to copper. Na biggie copper where they work with soldier. Come and see exceptional you to copper. You to copper we get contact with the president. Yo. Copper where they my community.
Join me. Go ahead.
Sir, you've done enough for me already. Huh? I'm okay with this.
Oh, wow.
As you eat?
They go well together.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You love it.
I love it. Thank you so much, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you.
It's not a problem.
As you continue. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, I must say thank you so much. Thank you.
No, it's nothing.
Eh?
It's nothing.
You've made my day.
I do this for people all the time.
Oh.
It's nothing.
Thank you,
sir, thank you so much.
Oh, that's all right.
For patronizing us.
That's okay.
Do you want another thing?
No. I'm okay.
Okay.
I particularly like the mama. I like it.
Thank you, sir. That's how we do it.
Pepper there.
Thank you, sir. So your bill is here. Your bill is 24,600.
Oh, good. Good. Let me have a pen so I can sign for you.
A pen? Sign for how?
Yes.
No, you don't need to sign it. The only thing you need to do is just pay me the money.
Oh, no, okay, she doesn't understand. As you can see, I'm a copper. I expect you to just see that and understand. I'm a copper, property of the federal government. And as a citizen, your duty is to take care of federal government property. So, I'm not meant to pay or...
Shut up! Give me my money. Copper, water! Give me my money! You don't want to give me my money now? If you don't give me my money this minute, heaven will be let loose. Give me my money, yo! I'll say I'm a copper, government property. Do I look like I own government? The government open here for me? Do they cater for me?
Madam, wait.
Eh?
No. Bros, nothing like wait. What is this now? Once they bring copper come this matter, pay the money now.
See me, oh. Are you saying you two you don't understand?
Understand what?
No. See, it's a simple thing. You know, the federal government send us coppers to various communities to help develop the communities. They don't pay us. We are not on any salary. So the only benefit we get is that when we go to places like this, where whatever we eat or drink, we are not meant to pay. Yes. That's why I'm saying, you bring the pen, I'll sign for you. When government officials come, you can present it to them, they will pay.
May all refined turn the way they miss road. Fire this your mouth. Shift at one side and make you dumb for saying that nonsense. Copper, give me my money. Give me my money, 24,600 You want to joke with it? Please give me my money. Are you giving me the money or not?
Madam,
there's a misunderstanding.
I feel peace.
You know feel peace.
I want peace.
Okay, you know feel peace because you ate with him. He bought drinks for so many people here and you know peace. Stay here until he pays me. Egu!
You have nothing to be afraid of.
Obi, please come, please come. What's this? Federal government.
You don't understand, Copper.
See, madam, don't go to jail. This thing you are doing is an offense.
In my shop?
I don't know why you're calling them. Don't harass a copper.
See me, this man came here. You were here when he came. This man came here and ordered for drinks for so many people. Pepper soup, pepper meat. He was just placing orders. You bring more, madam, bring more. After eating, the money amounted to 24,615 naira. I asked him to pay me now. He's not telling me that he's a copper. Can you imagine that? Copper. That is a copper, federal government property, whatever. Collect my money for this man. Don't allow him to, even that one that wants to please hold him away. He's not allowed to leave. Where are you going to? Give me my money. I'll take you to the palace.
Don't harass a copper.
You are giving me my money, that's all.
So according him some respect in Inoko. You want to joke?
Igwe, is this one? This one. He came to my shop. He ordered drinks, plates of meat worth 24,615. Oh, you pay me now. Igwe, problem, oh. He started speaking right English for me. Big grammar. Telling me I am a copper. I am a federal government property. And for that, I'm not supposed to pay. Igwe, see me. You're not supposed to pay in my shop. Federal government property. Do you know the one that pains me the most? The way he was asking me for this, the way he was making orders. Madam, bring more plates of meat. Bring more drinks. Oh, madam, our table is almost empty. And after everything, this man refused to pay. Pay me my money, he refused. That's why I decided to drag him here. Come on, no more because you need the money.
Young man, who are you?
Igwe. I am Copper Chidiadi, son of the late Manzi Onyedikachi, which of course makes me a son of the soil. But to answer your question much more directly, I am a federal copper, yes, sent by Abuja to this community to help with issues of development. And maybe by way of further introduction, the man standing before you here is a man of many degrees, masters. As a matter of fact, I was completing my PhD in London, the UK, specifically at the Buckingham Palace, where I am a personal staff to Her Royal Majesty. Oh, I miss London. I miss the Buckingham Palace. Is this what I get in my community? Igwe Kenya was begging. Ghana was literally kneeling down, begging. Uganda was on the floor. They wanted me to come to their country. I said, no. I would rather go back to my motherland to help develop backward communities such as you have here. And this is how I am welcome. No, what is a few bottles of beer and maybe one or two plates of pomo to welcome a federal copper to the community. Igwe, I was at my duty post doing exceedingly well with the Queen when the letter came from Nigeria through the High Commission in London, requesting, in fact, federal government begging that I come back home to help I looked at it, I said, why not? Why not? And now this. No, this is what I get.
You said you are a copper.
Yes. Is it not obvious?
You are too old to be a copper. My son graduated at the age of 26 and became a copper.
Igwe, let me pretend I didn't hear you, or at best, excuse your ignorance. It is true. I think in Nigeria, that's how you do it here. To serve at the National Youth Service Scheme, you have to be below 30. But I didn't say I was a youth copper. I said I am a federal copper. That's a huge difference. A huge difference. You cannot compare a man with countless degrees to one miserable degree that your son acquired from one back room university somewhere. I'm talking of a man that has read in some of the best universities in the world. You understand? So it happens like that. It doesn't happen often. When the United Nations will look at very brilliant men and say, okay, we'll make you federal coppers. You can go back to your countries, go back and develop your communities. Instead of my community to be proud to have me as one. Here arguing over bottles of beer and loose of bomb. I think I should reply Ghana. I think I should reply Kenya. I'll consider the application.
It's all right. Woman, go back to your shop. Yes.
Igwe, what about my 24,650 naira?
My guys will bring it to you.
You'll bring it?
Go, they will bring their money. My son.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
So I called him some respect in Inugo.
You can see one of the friends I met there, I saw him.
You won't play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England, the way not out. My room, the next to Queen Elizabeth room. Or you give me some accolade.
Funny enough, I didn't even get to ask him his name. One of the young men I met at her shop, the bar where we sat down to drink. You know, I just, for some funny reasons, I don't know, I just took a liking to his person. So I invited him over to my table, bought him a couple of bottles of beer. We shared a plate or two of momo, and that was it. So when the woman came with her thugs, she just bundled the both of us. I tried to explain to her that the young man is just a bloody villager. He had nothing to do with what we were doing. But the woman did not even listen to anybody. But to be honest, he doesn't, it's not a copper, it's not, I may say nobody, as a matter of fact.
That's all right. Young man,
You will
excuse us. Sleep.
You will
So how long have you been here?
About a week or so. I apologize for having not been here to officially report at the palace. I've been busy trying to fix my father's house, getting acquainted with the community and all that. A lot has changed. A lot has changed in the community since I left. As a matter of fact, I almost didn't recognize the way to my father's compound. But the girls led me. They led me right through to my father's compound.
This uniform you are putting on gives me greater joy anytime I see it, because I didn't get to see my son put it on.
Why?
Well, for security reasons. You know, in this our little village, we have leopards, lions, baboons, jackals. They're all struggling for my throne. Some for reasons best known to them. They said they want this stool to rotate among villages. Some are just strictly after my life. So I didn't want to expose my son to such danger. He will be back home when the time is right.
All right, I'm here now. That's what is important. You have nothing to worry about. I will make sure I mobilize every federal might that I have, every Abuja connection that I have, to deal ruthlessly with whoever tries to, make a mess of either your office or your person. That's a promise, Igwe. Don't worry. As you are saying me here, just consider yourself having the federal government on your side. Yes. 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 When you really look at it closely, we're almost the same thing. We're almost the same thing. We are leaders at our own different levels. You are Igwe, I'm a federal corper. We can work together.
When we put our heads together and cross-fertilize ideas, synergize.
I was going to use that word, synergize. I said, no, Igwe might not know that. Come to think of it, you speak very well. You go to university too?
Not really, not at all. In our days, I struggled through to standard 6. Of those standard 6 in those days is highly standard because we used Lagoon. We used Michael White's
dictionary. Yes, I know. I saw a copy of that dictionary in Nottingham Library. Nottingham Library.
So it's
very big.
So it's still there. I can't find it anywhere in the country.
Don't worry. When next I go to London, I'll get you a copy.
Chioma. Who is there? Chioma?
Okay.
Be quick about it. I actually like my soup hot.
So according some respect in Inoko. I be you want to joke with government property, I be you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England, you ain't not.
Copper!
How are you, my boy?
Copper son!
How are you?
Copper son! Copper, please, a minute.
Yes.
A minute.
Yes.
See, I must say I am very, very happy. In fact, I am overwhelmed. I can't imagine myself talking with a copper like you.
No, that's fine.
See, all this while I've been seeing you. Copper, I am so happy.
That's okay. Aside the fact that we are government property, we're also human beings.
I know, but it gets wired.
It's all right.
Don't mind me saying that I'm happy. I am not happy, but I want my happy to be completed.
Okay.
Yes, my name is Ugegbe.
Ugegbe
Buike.
That's it.
Please, can we be friends? Yes, just complete my happiness.
Just like that? Boy, you are bold. I like that. I like bold people. I like that. Wow. Why not? We're friends already.
For real?
Uh-huh.
We are friends already.
We are friends.
Oh, thank you.
I love bold people.
Thank you. Thank you, Copper. Copper! Thank you.
That's good.
Thank you.
That's good. Like you already know, they call me Copper. But my name is Chidiadi. Yeah. But you can merge it. You know, marry both.
Okay.
And make it Copper Chidiadi. By the way, Chidiadi means
there is God.
You already know.
I know.
You're smart. You're a smart guy. Look at this guy. You're smart. I love that. I love that.
Thank you.
So, who's your father in this village? Your family?
Well, I am not from this community.
Oh.
Yes, I'm from Amici.
Okay.
I worked with a construction company. So our contract ended. I decided to stay back.
Doing what?
Looking for something else.
Oh.
Though I do menial jobs, just to put body and soul together.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Yes.
That's fine. So, where are you up to?
I have no destination.
Come along.
I should come along.
Copper, Copper within my community. Copper Chidiade be government property. So according him some respect in Inoko. Maybe you want to joke with government property. Maybe you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England doing nothing. My room with the next to be Elizabeth room. Oh, you give me some accolade, my God, delicious. Oh, yeah, got to me, my guy, my God, they love it.
This is your house. Okay.
Love the environment.
Who am I to say no? It's cool.
You have no choice, brother. No choice. You know, I have been away from this community for a long time now. A long time. Sojourning around the world, white man's land. I've seen people, the people that matter in this world. I've seen women, the most beautiful of them all. I've seen things, I've been to places. But I just felt home is home. Let me come back home.
Well, I'm not surprised because I've not seen you before. Yes, I've not.
Yeah. I haven't been back. I want to integrate.
Okay.
Yeah. And by integration, I want to start first things first.
Okay.
So I want to start by obeying God's injunction.
Okay.
You know, in his words, he says, man. In fact, it is not good for man to be alone. Right?
Okay.
So I need Eve.
You need Eve. Hey. Do we have anybody by name Eve in this village?
Don't tell me you're as dumb as you look.
Copper, just wait. In this village, there's nobody named Eve. Yes. Are you saying that I'm dumb? Yes, you are right. You went to overseas for studies, and I am just an ordinary school dropout. So talk to me in the way that I will understand.
Young man, every woman on earth is Eve.
Oh.
Every man,
Adam. Oh.
You got it.
I didn't know that.
You got it.
I didn't know that. In that case, we have lots of beautiful women in this village.
Yeah, I've noticed.
Lots of them.
I've seen a couple of them.
Can I shock you? They are liking you already.
That's a joke.
I'm not joking.
That's a lie.
I'm not lying.
You don't mean it.
I mean it. They will be admiring you.
That's a joke.
I'm telling you.
You're serious.
If I am not serious, I won't be telling you. They are loving you already.
Bring it Okay. I like that. To be honest, I like that. So you get to work. Hmm? Do something and do it fast.
I see.
Yes. Do it fast. Make it happen. Especially those ones that are already showing interest.
Copper Daddy. Consider it done.
You know, it's been a while. I've got a whole full tank.
I can see it.
I need to.
I can feel it. Don't worry.
You can't feel it. Come on.
Dusted.
You can't feel it. I'll go near. You deserve a drink.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Then let's go there.
Don't feel it. Okay. Don't feel it. Okay.
Enough more you to copper. Na biggie copper where they work with Tammy soldier. Come and see exceptional you to copper. You to copper we get contact with the place.
Maras not to quadro no Cambede. I gathered you all here because my friend Copper Chidiade wants to marry a woman from this village. And the woman he will choose will follow him back to London.
London.
London. London. London. That will be after his 1 year service. But there are terms and conditions applied. Who is it?
I'm in. Number one. I'm in. Number one.
Excuse. Ugegbe, please make sure he chooses me when we get there.
Okay, then get you. I'm going to get you.
My friend will get out.
What's the problem?
Please be seen.
To be honest with you, I love what I'm seeing.
I love
what I'm seeing. But let me tell you, I am Ugegbe, not Chidiade. Therefore, he will be the one to make his choice, not me. Follow me to the house, let him make his choice. Where I go?
Yes,
follow me, let's go.
Come on.
Don't fight. Come with me. I told you. Here are they.
Starting from you. Hey, not so fast. Not so fast. Easy. That is it. Oh, come on.
Thank you.
Yeah, you. And you. Whoa. She's the shy one. And you? To be honest, it's a great job.
Thank you.
It's a great job.
Thank you.
You know, you all have the perfect features that define a true African beauty. A generous backside and a voluptuous frontal. Yes. But here is the sad news. I can't possibly have you all on my bed. It's got to be one person. So I will apply what I call elimination by substitution. You, this way, take a place. Aha. All right, you, this way, yes. Good. All right. You still remember your addresses? Can you still know the way back to your houses? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Are you sure?
Hello, bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. What's that?
No, Emoma. Even that one with a rainbow 7 color. Are you seeing what she's carrying there? Enough meat is there.
Leave those things.
Plenty meat too.
Man, I've traveled this road too often. I know them when I see them. There are things here.
Rainbow 7 color.
Forget those tight fitting. If these ones wear the same tight fitting, boy, you'll be seeing heaven. You'll be seeing. I can see that already.
It's a choice.
Don't worry. Don't worry. All right. Now, sad news number 2. It can only be one person. So I am going to give you both a little competition. I hope you don't mind.
No. Yes, it's fine.
Yes, just a little competition. Yeah. And here we go. Who is the first military head of state of our great country, Nigeria?
Olusegun.
Olubumi.
Olusegun. Obasanjo. Obasanjo.
Yes, you please.
General Aguiyi Ironsi.
General Aguiyi Ironsi. You know, I love women who perfectly, you know, combine brains and beauty. That's one of them. That is one of them. Brains plus beauty equals to my choice. My father worked under the great General Aguiyi Ironsi. Yes, in 1966. Same way I served Her Royal Majesty, the late Queen Elizabeth of England. I know.
Are you serious?
Many of you don't know this. Yes. Yes. You are standing before a very important personality.
Lucky me.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. As a matter of fact, in Buckingham Palace, where I work with Her Majesty, my office is just beside her bedroom. Yes. That was why when Her Majesty passed, it required my signature before anyone could gain access into her room. I was called upon to sign.
Wait a minute. You were the one that signed.
You don't know anything.
You.
You know, when I picked that official pen, oh, you have not been to Buckingham Palace. You don't know what I'm talking about. When I picked it, then date under. Before anybody could, before the Prime Minister got in to go and see her. You understand? So, that is it. Winner of my soul, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Proud of you. Come to daddy. Cover you. What I have correct. Come on, do something for daddy. Oh, come on.
Kabachiadi, you said you have something to discuss with me.
Yes, sir. Actually, Igwe, it's a directive from Abuja. Yes, a directive from the federal government concerning the welfare of federal coppers moving forward.
A directive for communities for the welfare of coppers. This directive is hereby given to communities for the welfare of coppers sent into local governments. The king and people of the local government must provide food and services for free to federal coppers and also remit parts to the government, federal government. 2. Land and properties sold in any of these communities must be divided into 3 equal parts. 1 part given to the coppers. Coppers must respect everyone in the community, but it must be noted that in the scheme of hierarchies of governance, after the king of the community and his cabinet, the next most important personality in the community is the copper, the federal copper, as they are solely property of the federal government. If any king defaults and the copper report to the federal government, the king in question must be dethroned and the staff of office taken away from him and be given to another person.
Do you understand what you just read?
I'm sort of confused. I am confused because my son told me that coppers sent to any community are solely property of the government. That government pays them and government takes care of their welfare.
Very correct.
So how is your own copper different from...
Who is your son? I am sure one of those baby coppers.
No, my son is a youth copper.
Youth copper. Of course, I know. There's no difference between a youth copper and a baby copper. One of those that just finished from a higher institution, assigned on National Youth Service Scheme, giving living stipends by the federal government. Is that who you are comparing to a federal copper? Do I look like one who just finished his first degree? Igwe seated here is a man with a first degree, a master's degree.
Masters?
As a matter of fact, I was almost completing my PhD before the federal government wrote to the Queen of England to beg that she should please release me to come and serve my people. Am I the same person you are comparing to that your baby copper of a son? Igwe, you make me laugh. But by the way, your son, you say your son is a youth copper?
Oh, yes, he is a copper, a youth copper.
Where's he serving? I mean, where was he posted?
Well, for reasons best known to us, so we don't disclose his whereabouts.
No, of course, that's the proper thing to do. But now I'm just asking.
He's a prince.
The reason I'm asking, as a federal copper, we have jurisdiction over these baby coppers, these youth coppers. It's our job to ensure that they are okay. So that's why I'm asking, so that I can take special interest in your son. Your son. Is he anywhere within the southeast?
Well, not at all.
Okay, he was posted to the north.
Well, not even in the north. We don't disclose. He's not even around.
Oh, well, okay, that's fine. That's even better. That's even better. At least we are clear that it's not nowhere around. That's okay. All right, Igwe. I'll be leaving. Since you say you understand, Abuja would not like to remind anybody about that again.
No. We'll look at it and we'll deliberate on it.
No, that's fine. That's fine. It shouldn't take long. It shouldn't take long. The federal government doesn't like federal coppers to be hungry at all.
No. I don't want any issues with the federal government.
All right. That's all right. Igwe.
Oh, my word is sir.
Igwe.
My word is sir.
All right, Igwe. You live long.
This is Kakana Umutana Awisi. Umutana Awisi. Masters. About to do PhD before Queen intervened. A great son indeed.
See, I know the answer. Just that I was confused. Because I know Obasanjo was former military head of state.
Hey! Ifeoma. When they sent you to school, you were busy doing something else. This simple question you cannot answer. Now let me tell you. Obasanjo was Onyami head of state in 1960. During our independence. Simple answer. Simple.
I'll come and see the copper.
Okay.
I will come and see him for more questions.
Oh, very important, very important.
Is he around?
The copper. He left in the morning, and I've not seen him. Maybe he'll come back later. Later. Here I go.
He's not around.
I said come and see him later.
Copper within my community. Copper Chidiade be government property. So according him some respect in Inoko. I be you want to joke with government property. I be you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England.
My love. My love, are you there?
Small you to copper. Na biggie copper where they work with army soldier. Come and see exceptional you to copper. You to copper we get contact with the president. Yo.
Ugegbe.
Nana? It's been a while. What happened? You have not been visiting my friend Copper Chidiade. I hope all is well.
He has chosen who he wants. I don't like insults. I don't. He said he's schooled abroad, but he doesn't behave like one. Okay, the other day I went to his house to see him. I don't even know who poured water on him. He came back and Ifeoma rushed him. He left me there and went inside with her. What were you expecting me to do? I had to leave now.
Nonye, let me tell you. You are getting it all wrong. Don't worry, we will talk about this. But you have to come to the house later.
Come to which house? Ugegbe, I can't come to that house though. I can't. Besides, I'm going to get this water, go to the market and cook.
I know, I can't stop you from cooking. But once you're done, try to make out chance to come. Here I go.
I don't know about that. I'll just think about it.
There is nothing to think about. Just come. See you later. Oh? See you. See you. See you.
Yeah.
Going on.
I don't want to talk about it.
Copper within my community. Copper Chidiade be government property. So according him some respect in Inoko. I be you want to joke with government property, Joy. I be you one play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England, the way not down. My room with the next to Queen Elizabeth room. Oh, you give me some accolade, the Macadillis. Oh, you got to me, my guy, my God, they love it.
Thank God I saw you here.
Were you looking for me?
Not really.
Why are you looking at me like that? What happened?
Now listen to me. Yakwe Munti. You follow Kopachi Diade. Stay clear. Stay clear of Kopagene Chidiade. He belongs to me. You don't even know now. You saw the way he chose me over you. Ina alamanya. You saw the way he chose me over you. So wait, if you don't want trouble, me I don't want trouble. But if you insist and keep coming close, I will redesign it. Stay clear.
Do you know you're not afraid? So I will stay and watch you redesign my face. As what?
Yes, again.
Do your worst.
You do your worst.
You slapped me.
Yes.
I'm going to kill you now. You think I'm taking it? I will kill you because of him. Come back. Not because of woman. Stop. When you stop, what? Stop. Come and fight me. Why come now?
Are you mad?
You're fighting for a man.
Let me be. Why you come and don't watch me.
What are you looking for? I'm looking at all weapons.
Yeah, good afternoon, man.
Copper. Hey, Copper. Shout. I come with them. I did it well. Welcome, Copper.
You're very funny, man. I like that. Actually, I just feel like our supplies from Abuja has not come, so I just feel like taking something light. One small loaf of bread and maybe a sachet or two of tea.
Okay.
Just need to hold my system together.
I'm coming.
Yeah. Hi.
Oh. Hi, Papa. Please, have you good?
Madam, this is heavy. No, madam, this is not something like to. Yeah. I said just one loaf. Hey, you even added eggs.
My own yours here, you will
Plus on yourself.
All for you. Just manage it.
Madam, this is not too much.
Manage it, just manage it.
Really? Wow, you're different.
Thank you.
You're different. I like people like you.
Thank you.
You know, all the people I meet in this community, everybody just doing it. So you recognize the importance of a federal copper?
Yes, federal copper.
I like that. I'll bless you.
Hey, okay, Kim. Bam. No, don't do that now. Don't do it. Just keep it. All this is, I gave it to you from the bottom of my heart.
Really?
In fact, I want my son to be like you when he grows up.
Amen. Amen to that prayer.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's good. That's good.
Hey.
Wow. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Thank you. Hey, next time I will even cook it and arrange it for you.
Abi?
Prepare it.
This is good.
Hey. Kopanka waka. Handsome copper. It's alright.
Government property, so according him some respect in Inoko. I be you want to joke with government property, I be you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England, the way not down. My room with the next to
I feel baby. How are you?
I'm fine right now.
Good.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, actually.
I was just coming from your house.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Actually, I was very hungry, so I said, let me go buy something light since I didn't have food at home.
Okay.
I went to buy bread and tea.
Bread and tea? You must be very hungry.
To be honest, I am.
Okay, why don't I take you to the bar, get you something chill to drink, then we go back to your house. I'll make you a proper meal.
No, are you serious about that?
Very serious.
You're serious about that?
Yes.
Then what are we waiting for?
You like it? Wait, let me tell you.
That's okay, that's okay. If you're serious about that.
I am very serious.
Oh, you give me some accolade, delicious. Oh, yeah, got to me, my guy, my God, they love a child. Kopachi daddy, Inojie small you to copper. Na biggie copper, where they work with Tammy soldier. Come and see exception.
Informer, what are you doing with this young man? What are you doing with this young man? Tell me!
Mama, why are you shouting now? What kind of talk is this? His name is Kopachi Daddy, my husband to be.
Hey!
He has a lot of connections all over this Africa and beyond, so stop shouting.
May God reshape this your mouth for this thing you said now. Informer, may God reshape your mouth for being stupid! So is this man that knows only how to speak big grammar, those big grammar that you want to settle down with? A man that goes about in this village buying things, did I say buying things? Collecting things from people without paying. Is that the man you want to settle down with? Informer!
Papa, what's my mother talking about?
I don't know her. No, that's how people that's how they go about spoiling people's name. Listen, woman, I will not have you sling me. Yes, I won't take it. If this is how you've been doing to other coppers, madam, you dare not try it with me. Yes, I won't take it. What is it? No, what is it? Is it a crime to be nice?
Yeah.
What is it? Just one phone call to Abuja, I'll have military boys overrun this community because of you.
Hey.
Yes, I will have them raise your house down. Do you know who you are talking to?
Hey.
No. Let me make one call to Buckingham Palace and see if the British police and British Army will not overtake this village. What kind of nonsense is that?
Informer, you see what I'm talking about?
No, please don't give me that.
Informer, you see what I'm talking about?
Like
He's already talking about military invasion. Simply because I asked him to pay whenever he drinks in my shop. He's talking about military invasion, Informer. Informer, don't have anything we do with this type of men. You don't have anything to do with this type of men. They are evil. Nothing good can come out of them, Informer. What did I do to you? What did I ever do to you, Informer? This man that is useless, hopeless, because he's a copper. You want to settle down with him? Informer? Please, I want you to do something for me. Talk to this man. Tell him not to bring army, soldier to my shop. I don't have the strength for the army at all, Nabum. If Rabum, at all. Did you hear what I said? Tell him to not bring the army for me. Because.
So, you're scared?
Shut up!
Mama, see, let me tell you. That man is too intelligent. Do you know he served in London? Queen Elizabeth used to call him for advice before she died. Even Prince Charles, her son, he normally calls him on phone to return to London. So I believe he knows why he's serving the government now. Mama, please, I am begging you. Don't be a victim of his military boys. Because they have his command.
Story. All these nonsense stories he told you. Does he have any paper to cover up?
Yes.
Does he have any paper to cover up?
He has everything. Yes.
Mama,
he has everything. Don't worry, I'll talk to him. My own problem is this. Whenever he comes to the shop to drink, eat, do anything he wants to, give him.
And who will pay?
The government will pay. Mama, give him, don't collect anything from me. Don't spoil things from you. I want to follow him to London after 1 year of service, so please.
Hey. Informer, you are shameless. You are a shameless young girl. So of all the men in the whole world, is this man that you want to settle down with? That's the man you want to get married to, Informer. What did I do to this girl? Do you even know where this man comes from? You don't know where he comes from and you're jumping on him like this. Ifeoma, where does he come from? You do not know.
Mama,
eh?
I know. He's from this community. Eh? Stop insulting my husband to Bill. Hey, you see that tummy? The bigger the tummy, the bigger the money. I want big things. I love big things. I want to make you proud. Just relax.
So you are making me proud with this big tummy,
Mama,
eh?
stop saying that.
Is this big tummy that you're going to make me proud with?
Mama,
Ifeoma.
Mama, please, anytime he comes to the shop, give him things. Anything he wants to eat, he wants to buy, if he wants to drink, give him. The government will pay.
You are very stupid. You are very, very stupid. What did I do to this girl? Ever since I gave birth to this girl, she has never done anything with her mates. She doesn't be with her mates or down with Ndobwe. So this old big tummy man is what you... Ifeoma, I am going somewhere. Get back to the shop and take care of the shop.
Mama, I'll follow him to London. I don't know what
you don't even know. Go to your shop.
I don't like this. That man is my husband.
Like, this man, what did you do? This man give to my daughter. What did he give to this girl? I'll see you when I come back. Nonsense.
Government property.
Papa! Papa, Daddy! Papa!
Yes, you will be
Where have you been?
I went to the coppers. A group of military boys come here to look for me.
Military boys.
Please, Ibebika, I have to leave. I don't even know what I'm doing here.
No, please. No, yeah, please. Eh? I am sorry. No, yeah, see, I am done with Ifeoma. Yes. It's you I want. It's you I love today, tomorrow, forever. Just look at you. You're my kind of woman. Calm, gentle, peaceful, loving, beautiful.
See, Kobachi Daddy, I'm not sure about that. Just...
But I am sure. And I'm telling you the truth, I'm sure. Eh? That your daughter, the one you spoke to me about, I'd love to see her. Hmm? Yeah. I'd love to see her. Let's see how we can get her to go back to school. Honestly.
Are you serious?
If you can just remove jealousy from your heart. You see, oh man, you enjoy this man. I'm telling you.
Daddy, thank you so much. Thank you.
You enjoy me. Forget it. African women, I don't know. Not too jealous. In London, in London we roll, we cruise, we flow. We mingle with several women. Nobody's jealous of the other.
It's just that I don't want to see you and that Ifeoma girl. I don't like it.
It's okay. It's okay. Like it. Promise. Now, give Daddy a hug. Big one.
Go now.
Not half current. Get water.
Is it Penny? What did Grandma eat?
She ate the remaining yam and beans and she is inside.
Junior, I don't even know what happened. I met one man and he said he came back from London. I told him about you. He now said you're starting school. He'll start paying for your school fees.
I know that if not for Grandma's condition, I will still be going to school. That's why I pray to God always for her recovery. Thank God he has answered my prayers.
No, God has really answered your prayers. God has answered your prayers, and I know you're happy. God has granted you your wish. You're starting school again. You're happy, you're here?
Copper within my community. Copper Chidiade be government property. So I called him some respect in Inoko. Abi you want to joke with government property. Abi you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England. You not my room with the next week.
I don't shoot. Yes, So you have the mind. You get mind to visit my man again. And you even hugged him as what? Eh? I'm asking you as what? Why did you hug my man? Why are you looking at me?
You slapped me?
Yes. I don't... Jesus.
It's okay. Leave me. No, just go. Let's go. It's okay. Let's go, man. Another day. You still want to fight?
Yeah, Majesty. That's it. Good. Copper, that's your own share of the land.
Igwe, I do not doubt you. No, but it's always good to be sure when you are dealing with the federal government.
It's all right. Oh, yeah.
So I will immediately transmit this to Abuja. Let the government know that you have done what you should do.
Yes.
Thank you.
One more thing, do you have any complaint about the way you are being treated in this community, your welfare and others?
Lots of complaints, but when I look at it from the point of view that close to 99% of the population of this community are illiterates, congenital illiterates, then I just let it slide. It's okay, I'm managing.
That's our problem. Our children, they trek very far distance to other communities to obtain knowledge, to study. And most of them under mango shades.
I actually noticed that very early. Immediately I came in, that was one of the things I noticed. And as a matter of fact, it was one of the high points of my last memo to the federal government. Yes, there I made it very clear to Mr. President and the Minister for Education that they should look towards this community. Yes. I pleaded passionately that when next they are establishing unity schools, this community should be considered for one.
Oh, that's great. That's good. That's a great son.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You'll be getting more of this as far as you help us establish one of those unity schools here in our community.
You don't need to thank me. It's our job. That's what I'm known for. It's not something big. It's what we do. It's what we do.
But you see, it's what we do.
All right, Igwe. I'll crave your indulgence to take my leave.
Thank you, my son.
To send this through electronic transfer will take some time, so I need to quickly start.
Okay. It's all right.
The CBN can receive it this evening.
It's all right.
Okay. All right, Igwe.
Okay, goodbye.
Thank you.
I'm proud of Chiadi. I'm proud of Chiadi.
There's something about this man. He's sounding like a bandit. Our people are complaining that he's wrecking their businesses. So he should look into it.
Oh, no, you know me very well. I don't give in to rumors. No, I detest it. How can you say that of our worthy son? Somebody who has just promised that he will get the federal government to establish unity school in our kingdom. And here you are calling him a bandit. No. I don't like it.
Oh, well, but this is what the complaints going around.
Forget about their complaint. Forget about their complaint. Huh?
very, very hungry.
Thank you, my dear.
Food is served.
By the way, where is that the little guy I said you should bring for me?
Oh, she's at home with my mother.
She's at home with your mother?
Yes, Copper.
Meanwhile, you are here serving me food to eat alone while she's there hungry.
No, Copper, she's not hungry. She actually ate before I came.
You know what? You go and call her. Yes, go and get her. I want to see her. In fact, I want to eat and... I want to eat and dine with her. I love kids. I love children and could do anything at all to make a child happy. Please.
Copper, do you want me to get her
now? Now.
I'll be back, Copper.
What? Do you have a pot in my house? Bet what? No, bet what? Is it a crime to be your friend? My friend, will you repair that face?
So, I want you to tell me some of those stories, to remind me some of those folk stories I've been telling you a long time ago.
Mama, I don't have any story.
You don't have any story to tell Grandma? What of those ones I've been telling you since? Tell me one of them. You can't remember anyone again. You have sing a song for me. I want you to sing a song, a beautiful song for Grandma. You sing for me, a song.
Mama.
No.
Nne, please, the copper asked me to bring Ujunwa. He wants to see her.
Here. Nne, I hope all is well.
Nne, all is well. I already told you, he said he will be taking care of our school fees. Even if he leaves this village, he will be paying for our school fees, Nne.
Here! Here! Asru! Nkoji bulu onyese. No. Chale. On what condition? On what condition does he want to take care of another man's child? On where kobo? Makagene say?
Nne, why are you creating a problem where there is none? Can't another man help? The man that impregnated me promised me heaven and earth and absconded. Nne, I should now pause my life and be waiting for him. Mbakwao, Ujunwa, come and dress up.
Kunye bebe.
I will bring her back. Let her just go and see him.
Nonyelum. Hey! See, I don't understand all this. I don't see how somebody from nowhere, from the blues, will just come up and say he wants to take care of another man's child. On their kobo. What you onye?
Nne, sure you know you're not feeling fine. Stop screaming. I'll bring her back. Because
you bring her back?
I'll bring her back.
You better bring her back, Omne. Better bring back my grandchild, eh? Hey.
Copper, what is it now?
Touch it now.
But my doctor advised me to stop eating something cold. Let's eat this food now. It's getting cold.
Your doctor advised you to stop eating something cold. Did your doctor say that your hot food, you must be eating it in my house?
Why are we friends? Are we not friends? We are friends now.
I told you I'm reserving this food for a little girl. You are here again, doctor. I'm hungry. You are the elder. You should be thinking of how to take care of little children.
Copper.
Hey, Ujunwa.
Afternoon.
How are you?
Fine.
Good. So nice to see you. Sit down. Your mommy told me everything that happened. Yeah, how you dropped out of school because of lack of money. But don't worry. I'm here now, and I will ensure you go back to school.
Grandma is sick and my mom will use my school fees and bought drug for grandma. But when I see my friends going to school, I cry. But thank God, grandma is getting better.
Don't worry. Actually, I kept this food. I said I won't eat until you come, so we can eat together. All right. Yeah, eat with big uncle. Hey. Take, eat with big uncle. Ah, don't worry. Mommy knows that uncle means well. Eat. All right. You had 4 pieces of meat. 2 for you and 2 for uncle. In fact, I love my rice with banana.
Copper, Copper within my community. Copper chidiade be government property.
Brobike, you say life is sweet when you are educated. Yeah. Of course, I'm not trying to say that education can take the place of native intelligence. No. But when you're educated and you are streetwise, you just see things working together for your good.
You are right, my friend. I envy you so much. Yes, I envy you.
You don't need to envy me. You don't need to envy me. The mistake you are making is probably to think that you are too old to go to school. No. In modern world, there are several places where you can still get education as an adult.
Let me not use this time now to say that you're mocking me.
Oh, no. Come on, don't say that.
Now God do one for you.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Okay.
So, Copper, we that now went to commercial schools, we shouldn't be talking now.
No. Says who? Oh, of course not. Commercial school, of course you're educated. In fact, very educated. What we probably just need to do is to upgrade you a little. Because I know here in the village, they taught you people with all those outdated, antiquated typewriters. We'll move you up to keyboard. Yes. We'll enlist you in one of these computer schools. Before you know it, information superhighway.
I like it. I would like to go there.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. We'll do that for you. Oh, madam.
Copper.
How are you?
Fine, Copper.
I didn't know you were here. Please let me have a...
This time you are passing my backyard.
No. Actually, I'm going to see a friend down the quarter. So I just said, I can pick up detergent, washing soap. Yes,
please. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you, my dear?
Go inside and bring detergent for Copper.
Yes,
okay, whatever find Copper detergent. How many?
No, just a sachet will do. I don't...
Make it 2 and add a toilet soap.
Madam,
anything for Copper.
Madam.
What? Soap. Have you?
Yes, Mama.
That is very kind of you. Very kind. Thank you very much. You are one of those who know how to treat a copper right in this community. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
And I'll get the government to reward you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. You see, those days I used to go and visit my sister at Lagos.
Yeah.
I used to see coppers. So and I pray one day that my children will be copper.
Oh yeah, those junior coppers. Yeah.
That looks up.
Yeah. What's your name, by the way?
My name is Chika, sir.
Chika.
My first daughter.
She's your daughter?
Yes, my daughter.
Wow, I didn't know that. She's your daughter?
Yes.
That's nice. Wow, I didn't know. By the way, yes, students are supposed to be still in school. Why are you not in school?
I just wrote my YX exam and I'm hoping to write jam soon.
Oh, you are out of secondary school already?
Yes.
That means you are brilliant. No. We encourage you. We'll help you. Wow. Okay. Okay. You see, your mother is a very nice woman. One of the very few in this community who know the value of a federal copper. So because of her, I'll do something for you. Yes, I'll see to it that before I go back to London, I'll see to it that you enter the University of Nigeria, Nsukka.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I hope you have no problem with sending her to a good school.
Not at all. Okay. In fact, anything that will make her to, increase her education. Yeah, maybe at least we are this one.
Oh no, she will. That's good. That's good. Mama, let's see. Okay, we'll do it this way. You come over to my place, Yes, you discuss one or two with you, teach you one or two things you don't know. Then we can take it up from there.
Okay, sir. But I don't know your place.
No. It's not difficult. Just come to Izo Square. Yes, you get there just by that big kola nut tree, or is it mango now? Well, whatever, one of those big trees there. Just ask anybody around that you are coming to the house of the copper. They all know me. They'll bring you to my house. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you. Copper. Thank you very much.
That's fine.
Thank
all right,
you.
By the way, madam, I must not go without commenting or complimenting or commending that you have a very beautiful daughter. Oh yes, your daughter is beautiful. Thank you. Just like you too. I mean, if at this age you are still looking this beautiful, I wonder how you were when you were her age.
Bye, Copper. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, Maya.
Yes.
You are still washing?
Yes, but I'll soon be done.
Oh.
Is there something you want me to do for you?
Actually, yes. I want you to take Uju to her school and register her back. Yes. I want her registered back in school. As a matter of fact, I want her registered in the same class she was with her classmates before she dropped out. That is important because she has told me a couple of times how she feels each time she sees her friends returning from school. Sometimes she even cries. So we need to register her back in the same class. So it will help her confidence. We encourage her to. I'm sure she will cope.
Chai, do you know no one has ever asked me how my daughter is faring? Thank you so much. Oh, thank you.
It's okay. It's all right. You do not have to mention. Actually, it's one of those little things we do for a little child whose future we do not even know what. I mean, we don't know what our future holds. Let's encourage her. Meanwhile, I left some money on the bedside cabinet. Yes. Take her to the school and have her registered. If there are other things they need, maybe books to buy, school sandals, uniform, just let me know.
Thank you, Kopachi Daddy. Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's okay.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much.
It's all right.
Bye-bye.
It's all right.
Hey.
It's all right.
Thank you. Junior will start school again.
You people just finish drinking. I went to get change for somebody. Before I come, I didn't see you people again. You people do not pay me for the power. Why?
Are you trying to be funny or you are blind? No. Are you trying to see that you can't see who is here? Huh? Hello, mister. I'm a federal copper. And that makes me a federal government property. Or, let me come to your level, government picking. So I don't pay for whatever I eat or drink. Is that clear?
Oga, listen to me. Let me tell you, I'm very serious. I'm not joking, no. Listen, government did not open this business for me. Neither did your father open the business for me. All I'm trying to tell you is that, it's all this thing you're talking about now, I don't understand. All I'm trying to tell you is that, give me my money because I don't know what you are saying. But government say, no concern me. My money, I beg. Muna do fast.
Well, I'm sorry, I don't have any money to give to you. Yes, and let me warn you, do not say or do anything that will get you into serious trouble right now. Did you hear me?
Wait. You say problem? You say problem on my own money that you came to my shop and drink. You did not give me. You see that problem? I want that problem now.
No. Are you okay?
No. Are you trying to block Abuja?
Can you imagine? Are you paying for that place you are doing your business? Are you paying for it? He just explained something to you and you are here ranting, making noise. What is wrong with you?
Listen to me, my friend. Life has not been fair in this country. And in this country, everybody is angry. Do not allow me to use the weapon. Do not allow me to rush you people like Russia. Because if I enter inside both of you now, I will dissolve all of you. You see this in Belena, I will open it. No, so don't allow me to be angry. I'm not joking. No.
It's okay.
Give me my money.
It's all right. It's okay. I know where the problem came from. As a matter of fact, government is supposed to sensitize the communities to let them know that people like me are not meant to pay for anything we eat or drink. So I don't blame you, I blame government.
Nobody told us that we should give anybody products.
That is what I'm saying.
So therefore, my money.
We are saying the same thing. So I'm apologizing on behalf of government. You understand? You don't worry. So don't worry. Government ought to have done what they should do. And that is by informing people like you that people like me are, paramilitary officers. And we are not supposed to.
What do you say now? You say para?
Not paramilitary.
No problem. Okay, you move paramilitary.
Yes, that's what we have tried
in this country.
That's what we have tried.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
I was only trying to make sure that you people. No, next time come, I will give you people drink again.
It's okay. You can go.
You don't want your money again?
You can go.
Education.
Eh?
Oh boy, that was very close. Oh.
Very close. He nearly got us.
Hey! Fear people. These people will be like wire.
I'm telling you.
As he be like cable, so fear him.
You can say that again.
Now God save us.
I'm telling you.
I don't even know how Holy Spirit take carry that paramilitary matter enter my head.
You know how serious that
now
guy
save us.
Open eye.
There's this beautiful story I want to tell you. Good story. But before that, let me tell you. Tomorrow morning, we're going to farm.
Farm?
Yes. You want to go to farm? You want to go to farm? We'll go to farm so that you can help me and do there.
Hey! This money was given to me for our school fees.
By the same man who is planning to collect my grandchild. Okay? Would you told me how he gave her plenty food to eat? Ne, I ask you again. Who is this man? And what is he to you? Can you help him? What do you want with him?
He's my friend. And there's nothing wrong that I met a man and I told him the truth about myself and my child. And he innocently volunteered to help Ujunwa go back to school. Nay, you forgot Ujunwa actually stopped school because of your health.
I know.
You should be happy now.
How? Why should I be happy? See, there's something you do not know. What I sit down here to see, even if you stand up on, stand on the highest Iroko tree, you will not see it. Yes, I am not saying that what he's doing is bad. All I'm saying is that you should be careful, Adane. You should be careful. Yes. Who was it danger? The days are not friendly. Be careful. All these men, see, none of them is good though. They don't give you anything free. By the time they give you this, they want to collect something in return. Eh?
Grandma, he is a nice person. Please do not say any bad thing about him. He promised to give my mommy money for my school, and he has. Mommy, am I going to school tomorrow?
Yes, Mom, you are. Just go and get your school uniform so I'll wash them. First thing tomorrow morning, you are going to school. You know, go? See now, she's happy.
Nonyerum. Nonyerum.
Let me go and wash her.
Copper within my community. Copper be government property. So according him some respect in Inoko. Abi you want to joke with government property. Abi you want play with the government personnel. I don't go to school for England the way not my room with the next.
Hey, Ugegbe.
Ujuma. How are you? You are going to school?
Yes, Uncle. Uncle, please thank Uncle Papa for me. God will repay him back.
Oh, Uju. I promise you I will do that for you. Eh? And take good care of yourself.
I will.
Study well in school.
We have to go in and get late.
Oh, so bad, huh? Yeah. So
say bye-bye to Uncle.
Uncle, bye.
Okay, bye, Ujuma. Read your books, oh.
No, don't worry about that. I'll take care of it, yeah. Trust me, that's not a problem. Yes, I'll take care of it. All right. Yes. Okay, that's fine. I'll call you back.
Papa, what are you doing here? I've been looking for you. Oh, yes.
Have you been to the house?
Not really. Though I met Nonye taking her daughter to school. And the little girl said I should thank you for sending her back to school with smiles.
Brilliant job.
Oh, yes, I can see.
Brilliant girl. You know, my wish is to continue to pay her fees until she's done with her primary and secondary school.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Wow. That would be very good.
Yes.
That would be good. Very good. In that case, let's get to the house, if you don't mind.
Actually, I do mind. Yes, I have this meeting with Igwe. Yeah, I'm supposed to have a private discussion with him.
Okay.
So you go. Go. We'll see in the evening.
Okay. I should go.
Is there another way to say it?
Okay.
Or you prefer get out?
I will see you in the evening. I will see you. Okay. Thank you.
Be government property. So according him some respect in Inoko. You want to joke with government property.
What kept you so long? Eh? I've been waiting here, standing here waiting for you. Do you know it's against the Corper's creed for us to just stand by the roadside waiting?
I'm sorry, sir. I just had to finish up what I was doing at home before I started coming.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
I'm sorry. Please don't be angry. I will not do it again.
What if the Minister for Youth Corpers and this other thing is passing by now and sees me standing here? What will I explain?
I'm sorry. I will not do it again.
Please, don't do that again.
Okay, sir.
By the way, what did you rub on your face? Your lips, they are so pinkish.
I didn't apply anything. This is my natural look.
You are sure?
Yes.
You mean these are your natural lips?
Yes, it is.
Wow, they're beautiful. Yeah, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Well, since you said I must wait to personally take you to my house, let's go.
All right, sir.
know, one thing that made it possible for me to notice you quite easily is because of the way you speak. You know, your articulation, your modulation, simply beautiful. And needless to add that you're a beautiful young lady. Yes. And I love young ladies that are beautiful, especially when they have brains to go with it. That's one reason I will invest whatever that is necessary, material, financial, to ensure that you attend one of the best universities in Nigeria, the University of Nigeria, Nsukka.
Wow. I will be so glad, sir. It has always been my wish.
The last time at your mother's shop, we talked about this. I said, stop addressing me as sir. I mean, we can be at par for now. It's not an issue.
At par? Sir, please don't be angry. What is at par?
Oh my God. Impressive.
Because I'm just asking so that when I enter school, I can be speaking all this big English I will learn from you.
You know, your hunger for knowledge even makes me like you the more. Yes. As a matter of fact, come close. Now, come on. Come close to government copper. I don't bite. Yeah. You know what? I have special interest in you. I'll take you to see the Duke of Edinburgh. Yes. On our way, we stop over at Wales. You know, just check out a few universities there. Whichever one you like, that's where you do your masters.
That would be very nice, sir. I can't wait. But I just hope you fulfill all these things you're telling me because I don't like empty promises. This one you're talking about Wales and what was that? The other one again? Edinburgh.
Oh, backyard.
I don't know if it's even a country because I used to.
You know what?
Yes.
You know what? I'm even surprised. I'm surprised that you are not confounded by the fact that at my age I am wearing this. It doesn't happen. No, it does not happen. I'm doing this because of the special recommendation that Her Royal Majesty, the Queen of England, wrote to the federal government of Nigeria just before she passed. She penned a powerful recommendation letter and said to the federal government, don't miss the opportunity of having this great man serve your country. So when they called upon me to come, I said, why not? Let me go serve my motherland. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here.
Okay.
Otherwise, I shouldn't be wearing this at my age. So I just said to myself, what other way can I serve my country other than going through the National Youth Service Scheme, you know, since they already have something like that. But you know what? I have a special interest in you. Trust me. I'll take care of you. Promise.
Thank you, sir.
Promise.
Thank you, Copper.
Promise. Yeah, better. Better.
Yeah.
Better.
2 plots of land you are talking about. Do you know the extent?
It's okay. Give me your account number. This thing you're just.
I don't understand. Oh no, what is going on here?
Copper Chidia, they work.
So, who be this one?
I don't know.
My friend, come back here. Who be this one? You see somebody stand here, you are
what happened?
doing like who won't die for river.
Copper Chidia.
What is happening here? Don't tell me you are trying to sell off this piece of land.
Copper Chidia, please don't disturb my client. You come to the palace later in the day. You know how we do this.
Oh no, don't ever tell me that. Don't tell me to come to the palace. Wait, is it because I'm from this community? You are telling a federal copper you can come to the palace. No, you see the way these people they take me.
That's an insult.
It is an insult.
It's an insult
a
to
big
your
one.
person.
Because I say, okay, this is my community. Let me just relate with people. Can you try this with another federal copper? Well, not for this community. Tell me to come to the palace. Don't say that. It is not my job to run after you. It is your job to prepare the invoice. Send it to me. We discuss the percentage to government. You send it to me, then I send it across. Telling me, say, come to the palace. How?